Hi, this is Kelly Albert at Cornerstone Brokerage Services, and just want to give you a few quick answers to some questions when it has to do with health insurance, which we know that's a major topic about to open up here shortly. You can reach us directly at Cornerstone Brokerage by calling 866-633-3472. Let's get into this real quick. The health insurance annual enrollment period will be opening very soon in about 2 weeks. November 1 through January 31st is the annual enrollment period. There are a lot of you who are at an employer group and you basically take whatever plan the employer sends to you your way and have to basically watch the payroll deduction come out of your check. In an employer group, you're not eligible for what we call tax credit or subsidies. Some people are eligible for tax credits. That reduces the amount of premiums that you will actually pay for your insurance, making the coverage much more affordable. There's another form of help called cost-sharing reductions. Cost-sharing reductions actually reduce the deductibles and out-of-pocket costs. So there are some plans might have a very high deductible, but if you qualified for cost-sharing reduction, your deductible would be reduced to a much smaller amount. So your out-of-pocket would be smaller as well. And the problem with some of these employer plans, the deductibles are so high and your payroll deduction's high as well. But with those high deductibles and high out-of-pockets, you have insurance, but you actually feel like you don't have insurance. All right, we know tax credits or subsidies are available to certain people. It reduces premium, it reduces your deductibles and out-of-pocket costs, but who qualifies? Well, I tell people it's just like baking a cake. What we put in will determine what comes out. And we will look at your household size, how many people live in your home, the household income, and the zip code that you live in. Some people think that individual plans are not as good as group plans. That's far, far, far from the truth. It's the same benefits you're used to, and with these new plans, preventative services are also covered at 100%. Your screenings, your mammograms, your annual physicals, all covered at 100%. How do you shop for these new plans? Well, your employer is going to tell you what they have to offer, and you could go online and I could tell you where here in a second, or you can just call us and compare what your employer offers to what you can get on your own. Tax credits and cost sharing reduction will not be available in your group plan. So whatever the deductible is at your employer group, that's what you're going to have. But if you shop on your own and look for your own plan, enter your information, you may just very well qualify for tax credits or cost sharing, which would substantially reduce the cost of your plan and your out-of-pocket. If you got your own plan, buying an individual plan frees you from being locked into a job just to have the insurance. For years, people have worked when they're well past their working years just to try to hang on to that insurance, when in this new market, they very well could have qualified for tax credits, subsidies, cost sharing reduction, which would have made the plan affordable outside of a job and possibly even have better benefits. When you shop for your own plan, you can customize your benefits, choose the deductibles, choose the rates, choose the networks. You're in control when you buy your own plan. Our office number at Cornerstone Brokerage is 866-633-3472, and a little tool that will help you shop online to just basically look to see if you qualify for cost sharing reduction or subsidies is the site that we have up. And just like Tennessee, it's tnrates.com. If you go to that site, be sure to scroll down the left column and click the silver plans if you want to check for cost sharing reduction, because you can only get them on the silver level plans. Now, save time on your research, plan selection, provider search, and that's another thing that's very important. People buy plans, but they don't check what doctors are in those plans. We can help you look at the networks as well, and that way it'll help you have the best choice possible for you or your family. Once again, Cornerstone Brokerage Services at 866-633-3472. Thank you very much.